Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you guys can upload vertical videos on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now for this tutorial, I sadly do not have a vertical video myself. However, if you have a vertical size video or a vertical aspect ratio video on your device, I'm pretty sure you can freely upload it without any additional setup. And it should be in a standard vertical aspect ratio when you update it or upload it. But yeah, if you can't do it and whenever you try uploading it, it doesn't work, what you can do is you can edit the custom CSS for your website, and you can very freely use it by going first into the pages menu in the left, scrolling all the way down into website tools, and then going into custom CSS. Here you have custom files, and this is some text or some code that I have for a font that I've uploaded or tried to upload. So right under it, I'm just going to paste this code. It's this code, which is the following. It's .sqs-native-video space .native-video-player. And then in these sort of parentheses, forget what they're called, these brackets, you have the padding dash bottom, colon 100%, and exclamation mark important. And yeah, that should work once you click save. Whenever you try to update or upload any videos in a vertical manner on your Squarespace site, it should now work. There is also new code that I found on the internet that might work for you, and that is this code right over here. You can try this in CSS as well. Just copy it over, add it right under our previous code, click save, and now the vertical videos should work. Now again, I sadly cannot find a vertical video to upload, but that should be good enough. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.